Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So we start off with someone who has mid-length hair. The stylist chops that hair right off. Ooh, gorgeous shoulder length lob. I love the color here. So pretty. Beautiful tassel curls. And then here we see someone once again get the hair cut. It looks like she is going short with a bob style. Looks like she got some bangs to frame out the face. So cute and fun with the tousled curls. Very nice makeover. So moving on to transformation number 3. So it looks like she also ends up getting a nice shoulder length lob. A little bit of color was added as well. Oh, she's going very short for this next one. Wow, she has some long hair too. Oh, she's getting a pixie. Oh, I love the drama behind this cut with the long bangs, the asymmetrical shape. So fun. And then we have a buzz cut transformation. And then we have some color being added for the next one. Oh, beautiful blonde makeover. It looks like she also got some layers here too to frame out the face. Beautiful. So here we have someone, she has some very long, thick hair. I like how the stylist is showing us her facial expressions. So she ended up getting a nice shoulder length bob cut with this one as well. Very nice. And then we hop on over to this stylist, Sheila. Ooh, I love her with the copper colored hair. This is gorgeous. I love the messy texture that her bob has. Very cute. And it looks, wow, this color looks absolutely breathtaking with her complexion and the red lip. Love it. Next up, we have a bob with bangs. We have someone at the salon. Once again, this is Sheila. So she's doing her client's hair this time, doing a cut refresh. Pixie with the undercut, asymmetrical shape. So here she is rocking out a different color here. She has blonde and chocolate brown for the color. Oh, I love this pixie. So cute. Beautiful shape and that design and detailing. Really just adds something to the overall look of the style. Very cute. So moving on, here she is once again rocking out the copper colored hair. So she has a client here with mid-length hair and some grown out color. Oh, looks like she wants a pixie. So she is going to add a bang here with this. That is going to give her some volume. Very nice. And surprisingly, she didn't color the hair. She kept her gray tone. The grown out color. It looks really cute. Oh, so blue is on my radar for trending hair colors, but she just cut all that hair off and just embraced the buzz cut look, but she still has that hint of blue and the brows. And then we move into another cut refresh. Another gorgeous pixie here with a design going there on the side. Very modern and fun, and just a hint of red going there as well. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.